Hello and welcome to Christ Center Gamers Unenveloping. It's not really a box, so I can't say it's an unboxing. It's of the Hermit Calamari Jerky, which I could say I haven't had calamari jerky before. I've had beef jerky, probably turkey jerky. I know I've seen like bacon jerky. I even got some stickers. Look how cool that is. So just got back from dinner. I'm not incredibly hungry, but I gotta try these, right? So we have Tai Chili Lime, ginger scallion, and Italian herb. So I'm just going to be up in front and honest and say I'm not really a huge seafood person. Seafood for me growing up was fish sticks and tuna. You can appreciate some salmon. Oh, this is definitely kind of potent. You know, you'll be able to sneak this around. And that's interesting. Very textured, and definitely it's got a seafood thing going on here. The ginger scallion. Okay. Definitely taste the ginger. The texture is different, is unique. Chewier. Much chewier. A lot of protein, only 2 grams of sugar. Strong. Very strong ginger. But not bad. It just leaves quite an aftertaste too. This is Tai Chili Lime, and this one's way lighter. I'm just trying to find a small piece here. This is like an interesting texture. Tough. The lime is strong. This one has 0 sugar. Wow. Got some punch. That was 28 grams of protein. This one's got 1 gram and 20 of sugar and 29 of protein. This one's Italian herb. And this one too is light. There's a small piece there. Definitely smells Italian herby. Very subtle. Alright, this is really interesting. I'll have to see what the prices are on these and what other flavors they have, but it's definitely different. It's not bad, but I'm gonna share it with my family, see what they think. I don't think I can picture myself, you know, just sitting down and munching down a whole bag. But not bad. Definitely different flavors. I'm not sure which one's my favorite. Italian herb is the most subtle. If you really like ginger, you like the ginger one, and the Thai, you know, if you like lime, you like the Thai lime one. So. If you just like beef jerky, and this is probably, the Italian herb is probably the closest to it. So, I'm sorry for my goofy dogs in the background, but anyway, so I think that's what I'm going to call it a wrap. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our review. God bless.